Now let us look at the education pyramid. This is basically for students, but students at any level. It could be a PhD student or it could be a 8th standard student. This education tower or education pyramid will work equally powerfully for all kinds of students. There is a basic plate like this. Forget this pyramid, but there is a basic plate like this. At the top is a Saraswati Yantra. Then we have got our Pharma Yantra. Okay, and then there are slots for 3 pyramids over here. These pyramids are of this kind. They come in boxes like this. Alright, these pyramids are of this kind. Now, these pyramids have to be fixed in over here. Alright, look at the back. Here something called as personal. So now suppose a student is in 9th standard and he wants to get say about 95% in SSC. That is 10th standard. So he has to write 95% over here in Reading. 95%. Okay, in Reading at the 10th standard. Alright, then here there will be his personal photograph, if possible color photograph, and here in Reading he will sign. If he is not big enough to sign, then at least he can write his own name. Now this complete pyramid with 3 pyramids over here, it's got a hook over here, see. So you have to put it on the east wall. On the east wall, you have to mount it on the east wall. And whenever the student sits for studies, he comes to the table. This pyramid is around his table. All he has to do is, all the 3 pyramids over there, all he has to do is just give a mental command for about a minute, saying that all that I studied now, I should be able to recall. I should understand and recall. Okay, after 25 minutes, suppose he is going to get up from the table. Again, he has to put his hand over here and say, all that I have studied now, I should be able to recall during the exams. Every time he gets up and every time he sits, he has to give these 2 commands. While sitting or starting studies, he has to say, all that I studied now, I should be able to recall. And while getting up, he should say, all that I have studied now, I should be able to recall during the exams. These are the 2 simple commands. Every time he sits, he does like this. Every time he gets up, he does like that. And you will see during the exams, his performance will go up. Suppose he forgets something, all he has to do is close his eyes and remember his pyramid, and he will see the answer sheet or the printed material in front of him. All he has to do is put it down on the answer sheet. It will be so easy. This education pyramid, we have experimented and seen, it works with people or students who have failed more than 2 times in an exam. It delivers results, it sees that the students get through the exam.